Welcome to Wellste channel. As a professional telescopic pour supplier in Canopy, we have the most common Canopy pours on the market. These pours are made of aluminum 6061 and 7005. Rigid aluminum alloy material improves the windproof performance. Various sizes and large stock help you start your business more smoothly. We have two kinds of Canopy pours. Looking at this one, this is the twist lock Canopy pours. Consists of three of the sections here, connected by plastic parts. These are black plastic parts. OD are 30, 25, 21 millimeters. This is our standard sizes. We have large stock. We have many other sizes for you to choose. When you want to adjust the height, you are going to rotate it to the right, pull back to the left when tightened. It gives you a really secure, strong trip, so you are not too worried about the pour changing its height. The twist canopy pour is suitable for small canopy. The length of each tube is about 2.7 feet. The height can adjust both from 2.7 feet to 8.1 feet. The maximal load is 26 pounds and the maximal load bear is 100 pounds. Unit weight is about 0.25 kilograms, easy to carry. Looking at the lino hat foot cover, it has a smooth surface and high roughness. The lighting protection cap is more secure and easy to adjust. The double holes help to fix the windproof roof. There is a finger gap between the plastic parts, so it will not get cut. The color of twist canopy pour is very beautiful. Common colors are silver, black, red, green, brown, and so on. It can also customize according to your demands.